welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Rouse Rising and my name is Katie. Today I am sharing with you an Osotek H200 review. This is a wet dry vacuum and I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's get into it. The Osotek H200 wet dry vacuum was very easy to assemble and put together. It took me just minutes to unpackage it and to get it assembled. I really appreciated the auto crawler brush roll cleaning. With a self-cleaning brush roll, you no longer have to clean your machine manually after each use. It does the dirty work for you so you don't have to. With my house being as large as it is, especially this kitchen area and this laundry room area, I appreciate that this has a long battery life. It can run for up to 35 minutes, which is more than enough time to tackle some of the dirtiest rooms in your home. This wet dry vacuum glides across the floor so smoothly. It has an auto traction control integrated into the brush head, makes maneuvering the machine across the floor or around tables and corners as easy as going for a walk in the park. When cleaning, I need maneuverability. I don't like to move heavy furniture to clean underneath of it. This machine can be leveled to 180 degrees for use, making cleaning underneath of your beds and underneath of heavy furniture a breeze. This wet dry vacuum has 3 dynamic cleaning modes. It comes with 3 power modes to help you clean. You can switch between automatic, turbo, or water absorbing modes to help tackle various types of surfaces and rooms. What's great about this machine is when you use the selector to choose what mode that you are going to use to clean your home, it voices out loud exactly what mode you're in. So there's no guesswork. It takes it right out. And you basically have a maid that lives inside of your wet dry vacuum that speaks to you and helps you clean. Here we have a freeze-dried chili mess on the floor that I mixed with some water. I wanted to really test this wet dry vacuum out, and chili is a nasty mess, and it just cleaned it right up instantly. I was so pleased that it vacuumed up all the chunks and got rid of all the wet, nasty fattiness from the chili. It just wiped right through all of that, and everything accumulated in the waste bin of this vacuum, which is super easy to clean. This saves on paper towel use, and this saves on time. And now anytime that I need to clean up a nasty mess like this, I just get out this Osotek wet dry vacuum and I am able to clean up messes quickly and efficiently. Cleaning it and cleaning out the bin has never been easier. All of the solid material accumulates in this waste bin portion, and then all of the water is separate, so all of that is easy just to knock right into the trash can, and I give it a quick rinse. This vacuum, wet dry vacuum, came with a cleaning brush and a little razor hook that can get any tangled bits out of the roller brush. But I'm just going to dump this out and show you guys how gross my floor was. I thought my floor was clean, but this wet dry vacuum steams it. It heats the water and steam cleans your floor as well, which really makes for a nice, crisp and clean surface. My floor is so clean, I have to be careful in socks because it's extra slippery now. The roller brush extends all the way to the edges of the wet dry vacuum, and this allows this vacuum to clean 3 surface areas all at once, from the sides, the front, and the bottom. This is absolutely the Tesla of wet-dry vacuums. It has a cordless design that is very sleek and modern. It is nice and tidy and fits in the corner of any room of your home. All the parts and pieces fit together on the tray, and you can keep everything in a nice and tidy space for when you need it. I've really enjoyed having this quick option to cleaning my kitchen. As a large family with 7 people, there is a lot of traffic in the kitchen and a lot of people eating, and this makes for a very crummy room. Lots of juice gets spilled on the floor, lots of drinks, and lots of nasty little wet spots that turn into little muddy spots. But this wet dry vacuum eliminates me having to sweep. All I have to do is turn this on and it vacuums up the mess and steam mops my floor all at once, making it so nice and clean. This has been such a relief to have in my home. It is not a product that I would typically buy myself because I am a very frugal mama, but I am so grateful and so thankful that I got to test out this wet dry vacuum because it has made my life so much easier by eliminating one simple task, which is sweeping, and essentially mopping too, you all. This has eliminated the mop bucket, the slop bucket, all of that extra mess. It all just gets sucked right up into the vacuum. The roller is self-cleaning. I couldn't have asked for a more convenient appliance to help me in my homemaking tasks throughout the day. I feel very happy that I have this in my arsenal. Now my kitchen floor will be nice and clean every single day. It will not be this huge task that I get on my hands and knees and scrub once a week. All I have to do is whip out my little wet dry vacuum, put a little bit of vinegar and water in the water compartment, and it is ready to go to clean my floor. In this video's description, I'm going to leave for you a link to this Osotek vacuum as well as a generous discount from the manufacturer. I hope you guys check it out and let me know what you think of this. Is this something that you would like to have in your home? Would it make your life a little bit easier to have this Osotek vacuum? If so, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Disassembling the Osotek to give it a nice detailed cleaning is really simple, and all of the parts and pieces wipe clean and to reassemble. So I'm just going to show you real quickly how to take off the roller brush. I have not needed to do this thus far, but if you want your roller brush to dry completely, you can easily take it out of your machine, and I'm just pulling this over the sink, but everything is dry and clean. The roller brush is clean enough that now I can reassemble it and stow everything away because I was shocked and surprised as you are. It is self-cleaning. It is mostly all the way dry. So right here on the side is the knob that you twist, and I just locked that back into place. And then I'm going to put the protective cover over back on top, and it just snaps right back into place. Real simple. And right there on the right, you see the hook that came with the brush to clean the Osotek vacuum, and all of that assembles together and sits on this nice tray tucked away in the corner, out of sight, out of mind, but there when I need it.